Moving your corporation from California to Nevada could save you a fortune in taxes. But how exactly do you do it? Let's break down the process and explore the benefits and challenges of relocating your business to the Silver State. Nevada has become an attractive destination for California businesses due to its favorable tax climate. Unlike California, Nevada has no state income tax, no corporate tax, and no franchise tax. This can result in significant savings for business owners. There are two main ways to move your corporation from California to Nevada: conversion and domestication. Conversion involves creating a new entity in Nevada, while domestication allows you to transfer your existing corporation without dissolving it in California. Let's focus on domestication, as it's often the quicker and easier option. To domesticate your corporation in Nevada, start by reviewing your business structure and confirming that domestication is allowed under both California and Nevada laws. Next, obtain approvals from your board of directors and shareholders as required by your corporate bylaws. Once you have the necessary approvals, file the required documents with the Nevada Secretary of State. This includes submitting articles of domestication, providing a certificate of good standing from California, and filing articles of incorporation in Nevada. You'll also need to obtain a Nevada business license and any additional local permits required for your specific industry. After completing the formal process, update your business registrations and filings. This includes notifying the IRS of your change of location, updating banking and payroll information, and informing vendors and clients of your new corporate domicile. While moving to Nevada offers many advantages, be aware of potential challenges. If your business still has significant operations or employees in California, you may remain subject to certain California taxes and regulations. Additionally, consider the costs of relocation, including administrative expenses and legal fees. In conclusion, moving your corporation from California to Nevada can offer substantial tax benefits and a more business-friendly environment. However, it's a complex process that requires careful planning and execution. By understanding the steps involved and potential challenges, you can make an informed decision about whether relocating your business to Nevada is the right move for you.